TJ Snow is your source for support, repair, and replacement boards for the ATek Series weld controls. This includes SCRs, boards, timers, and any other part in ATek control. The TruAmp series of controls consists of 3 models. The TruAmp 3 supports 3 schedules with no subschedules. The TruAmp 4 has 15 schedules, 10 subschedules, external binary select, and cascade operation. The TruAmp 5 has 3 schedules and 10 subschedules. The TruAmp control only operates in constant current mode. It utilizes a toroid coil placed in the secondary circuit of the welder along with patented current measuring algorithm to produce current tolerances that are plus or minus 1%. During the initial setup, a learning curve is used to teach the control the characteristics of the machine. To run the learning curve, you'll need to change the dip switch, number 4, to on, and then initialize the weld control. During the learning curve process, the weld current is displayed in the top window, and your use factor is displayed in the lower. We try to keep the use factor between 70 and 90%, and it also will indicate a deterioration of your secondary circuit. For more information or support on the ATek controls, please give us a call or visit us at tjsnow.com.